You learned how to make it, use it, right?
Look. What I say here, learn how to use it. I need to learn how to preheat. This is the preheat. I don't know. Is it preheat? What is the preheat?
There's a fan.
See, the secret with these chickens, honey, you have to marinate. You know
How
what
long
I'm
did you
saying?
marinate it for?
What? If I wanted to, I remember to do it in the nighttime before. But like I did it this morning, because I'm very picky for cooking, honey. I wash it with the oil, no, with vinegar. You know, I don't like to keep bacteria in my body. If I try not to.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Don't write down, DJ. Come on. I'm gonna be this nasty, dirty mouth. You're gonna call me the nasty, dirty mouth. You know that.
Sarah likes seeing these videos.
Yeah, but you're telling nasty things that poor little bit said your grandma is no good. At least I comb my hair today. Last time I didn't comb my hair. Come on, ignorant.
Oh, that's what you put lipstick on.
Oh,
For
no,
the
no,
camera.
no. I do that. I try not to be in depression, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
As I look at my face, I'm going to tell you what I used to work. When I was my first job in Mexico City. First job, I was 16. Because that is, it's true. I work because my parents need money. Okay, now let's wait. Come on, baby. Get in. Okay, look. Okay, now is 6 minutes. No,
Okay.
No, we can. We're not overcooked. 6 minutes.
So you hit power?
No, automatic. You go, well, you're gonna see it. This is what I run on that.
You sure? Yeah. You just gotta put it, hit the power button. So now you just flip them?
Yeah. But I want to try to put it in a 400. That way they get a little bit like barbecue. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
We learn, honey. We learn this. I know I've been doing good because I know if this cook or not. Look at this. Come on, baby. Get up. Turn on. And now,
Put it back in.
it's going to be good when I learn really how to use it. But it's going to be much easier, that's what I said. Look, you see? You see little
Wow.
How
That was
you
only
like it?
12 minutes.
Yeah, we're missing one more. Well, let's see. I know it. I'm very
6 minutes, and then you flip it, and then another 6
We
minutes.
did a mistake. Remember, it was supposed to be
400.
400.
Yeah.
Now let's
Cut
try.
it.
See, I need to learn how to use this like this. I'm not happy with it. Okay, no, not right.
You need a mat.
I have it. You know they have it.
Yeah, you have a whole bunch.
You know, I have a whole bunch of them. The lazy stuff with me. Here's my knife, DJ. Okay. Oh my God, I got the wrong one. Bro. Look at my phone. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Try
It's
it.
cooked. You try it.
No, you.
No, you.
Tasty how moisty, honey.
That this is good.
Wow, the potato was delicious, honey. And
Really moist.
No oil. Why is it moist?
Yeah, it's really
Because the cauliflower is moist. Remember? It's what it is.
This thing is so cool. Like it keeps it moist.
Okay, it's gonna go down. But what do you find out that preheated?
What do you mean? Oh, right here?
The instruction is
Using your air fryer. So
Okay.
plug it in and right there.
plug it in. Okay. Top power icon is this one. Okay.
Power icon is that one.
Oh, the power icon is this one. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. But I'm guessing. I don't know.
Yeah, and then it says tap the menu button. And that's the menu button. And then when that came up, this came up.
This is menu button.
So you want to write it?
Yeah, I think so.